I've set this up for one student only. So on the left are the dates, and then I have it split up by like 1 hour to hour and a half chunks, kind of, naturally throughout your day. And so then each chunk has an opportunity for 3 behavior tracks that you can look at. So when you hit the little drop down arrow, you have your options here, and I'll show you how to customize those in a second. So you'll select it, and if it's just one time during that 1 hour, you would just leave the others blank. But that way you have some kind of not real time, but at least somewhat of an easier time kind of tracking that. And then on here, you can delete this column, but sometimes teachers like to add the student was aware of distractions column and then check it on there. So the way you're going to customize these is you're going to highlight this first row and go to data and then data validation. It's set up as a list of items. So all you would have to do is add your behavior that you want to track and then add a comma and then add the next one. So you can add all of those out and then hit save. Once you get those like you want, if there's only 2 things you're tracking, you're going to copy that row and then highlight the rest of the rows and right click and do paste special data validation only. So now you have the right drop down menus.